So behind me is the purple spider, and it has a lovely orange border. No, it's a kind of abstract versions of this detailed jewel of a beautiful insect with all the divine jewelly type of colours. And this one here is the gallop in red. I also have it with the green background, and I also have it in a long version. And as you know, with a lot of my designs, they're asymmetrical, so you get a different design, a different type of colours coming out depending on which way you fold it. So as with all of the squares, put it into a triangle, and then this way I'm going to show you is just a different type of a way. So I've kind of, from this corner, which is the opposite corner of the triangle, just kind of pleat it over in small pleats right over to the edge, and just hold it like that, and then put it around your neck. Get one side shorter than the other, and just tie that side around the long pleated piece, and you can, and then just get it the way you want it. So you can pull out those nice blues, or there's lovely yellows out towards your neck, or there's lovely pinks in it as well, and there's gorgeous pinks in the green version of it. So then you just pull these out, and you just get something that drapes a little bit and looks a little bit different. Put it inside or outside your jacket. It's quite elongating, and it just looks a little bit different than your normal way of tying them with, you know, using the cowl neck and the cowboy way and all of that towards the center, and the borders drape really nicely. You can twist them around a little bit, and some of mine, as you know, have lovely coloured borders, so it can look really nice. And you see, with this heavy silk twill, it drapes really well and holds a lovely form, rather than some of the thinner silks, they will lose, just flop. Whereas this is heavy silk, but it's not a heavy scarf as such, but it does hold its because it has the weight, it does hold its form as such. So that's just one way of doing that one, and I will show you the other way now, which is also a different way, with the pleating kind of an idea, which just adds a little bit of contrast. And I will fold it the opposite direction this time, so that we get something different colour wise through the scarf. So I put this corner over to this, so we end up with that, or maybe it's the same, but anyhow, what I'm going to do this time is I'm going to do the pleats from this corner to that corner. So the last time I did it from this corner into the center, so you're doing these small neat pleats all the way over to the edge, and you'll need a hair tie or something just to tie these up. So you can just do it once or twice. Most of those hair ties, they won't damage your scarf. And then with the hem side, you put that to the back of your neck and put it around your neck, and you get this side, and you can pull that through the where you had your hair tied. So you just pull that through that, and that'll hold it all together for you. Then with the side that you have all these pleats, you just pull that down through until you have this piece. Now you can put that inside or outside, which was the tie from the other side, and you can loop it around, getting the colours that you want out. So I was trying to get a lot of those yellows and pinks out, and again, you know, you have a lovely effect on the side of your outfit. Really great way of tying the smaller scarves as well. It really works with them. And you can also do these type of ties with a long scarf, and again, it doesn't have to be tight on your neck. It can loop down nicely like a kind of a cowl neck, and it just gives a nicer contrast to the way you would normally wear a scarf. So do let me know if there is anything you'd like me to style or do with you, and I would be delighted to hear some feedback or some messages. Okay, thank you.